Right, so today we have a tree that the customer tried to take down on their own, and it got hung up in another tree. So we're gonna get it safely down for them. We've got to use some rigging and some rope. He's got fresh grass. Here, I'll show you what's going on. We've got the tree leaning into another tree, but we've got a new pool and all kinds of fresh, beautiful grass in the backyard we don't want to disturb. So we're gonna get set up. We're gonna rig it up and try to pull it down and safely along with these other logs along the bottom. That is the goal. See if we can't put it where he wants it safely, because it is sketchy. Okay, we've got it kind of rigged up. It's cut almost all the way through. I'm going to attempt to pull it without cutting it. We've got our rope tied, and it goes over to an anchor point. We've got it pulleyed off of this tree, where it's anchored up, and then up to the truck where we've got it tied to the back of the trailer, and we're going to gently tug it along, see if it'll come down. Let's see if it'll work. Well, that's what we came to do. We got it laid down nice and safe where the homeowner can now finish processing it. He can cut it into lengths or firewood or whatever, but now it's no longer hung up in that tree. It's down, it's safe. He can cut it up and deal with it. Laying right along the edge of the yard where he wanted it. He didn't want to disturb his nice grass. And we're on to the next one.